What's up, guys? We're back on our 100th anniversary little hot rod bagger here. Hopefully we got enough stuff to get it pretty much buttoned up and at least take it for its first ride. We got our new front wheel here. And we reused our old rotors, and I got all my stuff back from paint. So we're going to go ahead and start. We'll slap the front fender on it, the wheel, the tire, and then we'll put our stretch fender on there so that we can roll it outside to swap out the tank. Okay, we'll go ahead and throw our front wheel up there and slide our spacers in, and fingers crossed that everything lines up like it's supposed to. Throw our calipers on here now. Hope that they line up. Oh, this one's about perfect. Slap on our stretch fender overlay here. I've done this a bunch in the past, but those of y'all that are new, these are plasma rod taillights, and you just buy like a little module that ties right in and it operates these. These are run, brake, and turn signal all in one thing. Go ahead and put this down on the ground, roll it outside, and drain the gas out of it so we can get our new tank switched out.
Alright guys, while he's working on doing that, I think since the t-shirt giveaway was such a big hit, I think we should do it again, but this time we're going to give away a hoodie. Since it's cold weather now, I feel like that's kind of more appropriate. Just remember, you guys just have to comment below. We'll just randomly pick somebody, and remember, the only thing that we're going to say is for you to email us at budgetrebuilds@yahoo.com. We're not going to say anything else, so kind of be aware and alert for the scammer situation that's been going on. So yeah, that's all you have to do. Just make a comment below. Fuel out of this thing first.
All right, we got our new tank here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on there. We already swapped over our fuel pump also. Okay, and we'll go ahead and get our new seat and throw it on there. And that's about all the parts we have for this thing. And we're not going to reuse this because our new seat comes up to here, so don't need that anymore. So y'all, we're out of time for this one. We got as much stuff done as we can. We're still waiting on the saddlebags, waiting on an ignition switch, and a couple other things. But we're right here at the finish line, so almost got it done.
And don't forget, just make a comment below for the hoodie, and we'll do the same thing as last time. We'll just pick somebody random. And also, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and make sure you like this video. We'll see you in the next one.
Thanks, y'all.